Hi guys, are you traveling somewhere? So this video is for you. Hi folks, I am Shalini this side. So I am going to share in this lesson that if you are boarding the plane, that what kind of terms you should keep in mind. It's true to say that we all have to travel for one or the specific reason. It may be personal or it may be professional one, and sometimes you feel to rejuvenate yourself through traveling. So let's get started. So once you board the plane, you are supposed to keep your cabin baggage, laptop bag or any shopping you have done from duty free or your handbag, you are supposed to keep it in overhead bin that is above your seat. Now you are moving towards your seat. So basically if you see that if small planes are there in domestic ones, if I could take the example, there are 2 rows in aircraft or in airplane. So you are having 3 seats in particular row, and in international one where the planes are the bigger ones, there you will have 3 rows, and the seat near to window is known as window seat, in between is known as middle seat, and the ending seat is known as the aisle seat. AISLE. It means aisle seat means the ending seat of that particular row. Here S is silent. Before flight takes off, you are supposed to get the announcement by crew members. So crew members are known as flight members, air hostess and all that. So you are supposed to get the instructions based on flight and what kind of steps are to be followed for precautionary measures as well as safe flight. You are going to get the instruction to fasten your seat belt. Apart from that, you will come to know about the location, weather or any emergency services are to be made. So basically there are 2 types of tickets. One is economy and another one is business class. And in economy, that is meant for general ones, and in business class, if you want to have the improved facilities, you can give revised amount and you will be facilitated for the same. Here you will get the proper space, spacious will be there, proper cabins will be given to you, and apart from that another buffet and improved facilities are given in business class. Now as you are moving towards your smooth journey, you will come to know about cockpit, and cockpit is known as a place in an aircraft or a seating place in an aircraft where crew members, basically pilot and co-pilot, they are holding the plane, carrying flight equipments. So it's their wholesome responsibility to have the safe journey. Once you are moving towards your destination, you are enjoying nature in your nearby surroundings, then simultaneously you are facilitated with screen where you can entertain yourself by watching your favorite movies, proper programs, some series, or if any sort of flight information do you want to know, then you will get all the facilities on your screen. So in between, if you want to use washroom, there you have to go to lavatory. This is known as washroom area in an aircraft. Now for in-flight service, where crew members basically they prepare and store as well as they serve the meal. So this place is meant as galley. Galley means a workstation where they are preparing the meal or any sort of emergency kits are stored. They are going to handle all these. So crew members, they are going to handle all these at this workstation. This is known as galley. So while traveling, friends, sometimes you must have experienced that plane is shaking. It is due to sudden fluctuation in speed while flying the plane, and apart from that you may also experience that due to sudden weather conditions. So this is known as turbulence. And sometimes while landing or taking off the flight or plane, you are going to experience motion sickness. It means that you are going to feel somewhat uncomfortable and you need some support. So that is why you are instructed to fasten your seat belts. So guys, after having your safe flight, you are going to reach your destination, that is called landing, and here you can claim for your baggage from baggage claim. One particular counter is there, and you will be announced, you will be informed from the crew members that here you are going to collect your baggage. Once you reach at an airport, there you will get the facility of forex. It means trading concept is there, where suppose you are traveling from one country to another at an international level, so you need that particular currency. So here at this particular place you can get the currency exchange with certain amount of taxes. It may also happen that suppose you are having travel for 15 to 16 hours, or you are having long journey, so in between you are having stopover or layover. It means a particular halt or stoppage is there at a small destination for some particular time period. Suppose I travel from Delhi to Canada, so in between my halt or layover was there at London. So this is known as my layover, means I am going to take the halt, I am going to take the stoppage for some particular time period. So I am going to take the connecting flight or transit flight. And last but not the least, I am going to reach my destination. So I am going to leave from the airport from arrival gate, because I have arrived to my destination and I am coming back from that particular place. So stay connected, keep learning, have a smooth and safe flight always.